Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we're going to be installing a third bed rail on the back of this third generation Tacoma. Let's get busy. So why would we want to install a third bed rail on the Tacoma? Mainly for one reason: cargo. I've helped my daughters move many times, and I've always had trouble with bungee cords going from one side of the bed to the other. This will make it much easier because I've also got cleats installed up here at the top. I've also thought about maybe mounting my traction boards up here towards the top too. So a third bed rail is definitely going to give me some options. So this is an OEM bed rail straight from Toyota. You can see the part number there. Now these are the bed cleats that we'll put in up at the top. Great for tie downs. Now these are the end caps that we'll put on the end of the bed rail. Okay, so here we go. These are the torque bolts that we are going to have to remove up here at the top of the truck bed. This takes a T30 torque socket. Definitely get an extension because you're going to need it. Just start removing them. That'll prep us for installing the bed rail. Alright, time to install it. So let's put a torque bolt through the center one up here, kind of keep it even, make it a little easier to install. Let's just get these started first and then we'll tighten them later. Let's put some on the ends here, stabilize it. And right now we're just getting them started. On the other end. Last one. All right, let's start tightening these up. This is a super easy install. Let's get these nice and tight. All right, so push that up through the bed cleat and install it horizontal and twist it and tighten it up. All right, let's do the other one. Same thing, push it through, slide it in horizontally and twist and tighten. Now we put our end caps on, and they just slide in. All right, we're done. Nice.